Back to Next People channel. So today's video I want to show you guys the best side hustle you can start right now and make at least $200 using DeepSeek AI. Okay, it's going to be free, no investment, no referral commission, and no sharing of link. It's going to be absolutely your own skills, and I'm going to be teaching you how to practice these skills right now and start making at least $200 every week. Okay, so let's dive in, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you love what we are doing. In this channel, we share you free update on Forex trading, and we'll still give you the basic tools you need to start making money on Forex as a beginner. So don't forget to join us on Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Okay, so let's dive in and start making a lot of money. Okay, so the major tools we're going to be making use of on this particular project is DeepSeek and CodeCanyon. So on CodeCanyon, here you are going to be marketing our template, and DeepSeek here we're going to be generating our template. So I'm going to be showing you example of what I'm talking about. Right here you can see this person is selling multi-purpose websites. This particular template is just for multi-purpose website, and this person is selling marketing HTML landing page. Okay, right here you can see that this person have already sold for 144, and once you calculate, okay, let me do that real quick. If you calculate, if you do $10 times 144, that is $1,440. Okay, so this person is making $1,440 every week. Okay, so now you can see this person is selling for $6, and when you calculate $6 times $58, you know how much that is. So right here I'm going to be showing you guys how we do create this template and market to CodeCanyon. So now the first thing we're going to be doing is to have our DeepSeek generate the template for us. Okay, so we're going to be giving this a simple prompt. We're going to ask DeepSeek to generate a landing HTML website for hospital. Okay, so now write generate So guys, it's still generating. Okay, right here we are done. So now what we're going to be doing is to make sure you copy this. Make sure you copy, click on copy right here. So now I believe that every system has Notepad, like I told you. For you to search Notepad, just search for Notepad. It comes with every system. Okay, in your Apple, you can use your Note. I think just Note. So now you can use your Notepad. So now this my Notepad is right here. So what I'm going to do is to have my code I copied from DeepSeek. I'm going to be having it here. Okay, so once that, I'm going to click on File, click on Save As. So here I'm going to select where to save this. So I'm going to be having it saved on my desktop right here. Okay, so my desktop, I'm going to be saving it on my company name right here. So here I'm going to save it as index.html. Make sure you add that HTML. Okay, so once done, click on save. Good. So now we're going to be going to our folder, desktop, Cryptech, and we're going to be opening this on a browser to see what DeepSeek generated. And if it is clear enough, we can, yes, this is very, very nice. Okay, this is what I asked DeepSeek to generate, and this is very, very nice. Okay, you can see right here, everything is clear with hospital images, doctors images, and note that these images, yeah, you have the right to still use it because it's a generated image. So right here, everything is working, the contact pages. Okay, so now all you have to do is to sell all these templates, and the person can download it and edit. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to go back to our project, which is using the next tools called CodeCanyon. So now you go to your CodeCanyon. It's going to be a little bit complicated, but bet me everything is going to be working fine. Okay, so what you're going to do right here is just to click on sign in right here. So once you click on sign in, you can sign in with your Google Gmail account, just for easy way. So it waits for you to be signed in. So click on sign in. Okay, boom, we are already signed in. So you can see right here, I'm signed in, and it doesn't matter the verification process, there's no any verification process. So now here you can see a button right here that says start selling. Okay, so click on that button right here. So once you click on this button, he asks you if you want to become an author today. Just click on yes, become an author. Okay, when you become a market author, it means that you're going to be accepting the terms and conditions, and you're going to be posting your your project. Okay, so here you can say I already making my living from marketing. So you're going to be selecting that you are not selling any elsewhere. Okay, I plan to make and sell item full time. So you're going to be selecting this one and click on this terms and condition. Next. So here I will sell exclusive on yes on Iveto Marketplace. So now click next. So you're going to ask you what is your specialty. You're going to be selecting the first one, which is website and template. Click next. So here it will ask you for a sense of team development, blah blah blah. You can just click on complete my profile. Okay, so now this is the page we are now. So it asks you for tax information, payout information. So guys, once you fill out this particular page, this is your tax info, payment, payout info, and validating your ID. So the next step is after 24 hours, you're going to be verified before you start uploading the template you just created. And you can upload more than 50 templates a day. And this particular event will pay you out immediately people purchase your template. So I'm going to be making another video after 24 hours to show you guys how to upload your templates and start earning like me. So don't forget to subscribe and join our Telegram channel so that you keep updates on the next video. So thank you for watching and have a lovely day.